Welcome! I'm Sarah Zeldenrest, a registered psychologist, and this channel is called Ride the Wave Psychology, where I discuss topics such as burnout, stress, anxiety, and overwhelm, and how your nervous system responds to those things, and what you can do about those different states. I also have several meditation videos to help you calm and regulate your system. So, in today's video, we're going to actually talk about mindfulness, but mindfulness that looks a little different. Mindfulness isn't just about sitting on a meditation cushion with your eyes closed, focusing on your breath. In fact, some of the most powerful mindfulness practices don't look like practice at all. I'm going to share what mindful activities are and how doing more of them can help rewire your nervous system for calm, connection, and resilience. A mindful activity is anything you do with your full attention, rooted in the present moment. It's not about achieving something or zoning out. It's about gently noticing with openness and curiosity. Mindful activities often feel calming, grounding, and quietly joyful. You might feel more connected to yourself and your body or your surroundings. But here's the thing, it's different from numbing. Mindlessly scrolling on your phone or binge watching a show might look relaxing, but often leaves us feeling disconnected or more agitated. When you do something mindful, like walking slowly through a forest or sketching without pressure, it helps bring your body into a calm, connected state. That's your parasympathetic nervous system at work. And the more time you spend in that state, the easier it is for your brain and body to come back to it, even after stress. For me, it's sewing. I lose track of time and the world just seems to slow down. Or walking in nature where I can feel the ground underneath my feet and the breeze on my face. Sometimes it's just cuddling up with my cat and listening to him purr. Lately, I've also been using a reverse coloring book. You don't fill in the lines, you draw around the colored sections and make your own design. It's such a soothing way to slow down. I'll link the one that I use in the description below. So what are your mindful activities, the ones that help you feel more like you? Let me know in the comments below. Or better yet, make space for one today. Even just for a few minutes, it makes a difference. If you're feeling stuck in stress, mindful moments like these can help you ride the waves instead of being swept away. If this video was helpful, subscribe for more tools to support your nervous system. And check out in the description below for links to some of my favorite calming activities. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.